So, how was everybody's night last night? How much?
It's horrendous.
It's terrible. But we're alive.
Oh, I loved it.
Ah, yes. Well, 65 knot winds, we reckon. So they reckon.
Yeah.
I'll be sailor jerrys.
Works really well. Off we go. Woohoo. Got chocolate in it.
If I was on camera, I'd be more macho.
We wish that we had caught on camera today, Ali.
We wished we had caught Rob squirting tomato sauce over himself, over the sofa, over the floor. We also wished we'd caught Rob exploding the entire tonic bottle all over the place, making a rule that said open the drinks outside, and then opening the second one inside and almost having the same thing. Oh, and Rob smacking his head as he went up the stairs. Singing a song. When the red, red robin comes bobbing along.
What you got there, Al?
What do you call those, dolls?
I call them delicious.
We are leaving bright and early.
It's really warm!
Summertime.
And the weather is freezing.
This is Flipper Bay, beautiful bay. Back Tie Bay, should be what it's called. This is Alison's first time at the wheel of a boat, that is, of a yacht. And we're sailing. Seas.
When you're sailing downwind, pick a landmark to point at, and maybe not a cloud.
Great. Very much.
Good advice.
Goodbye.